If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus BH. We'll run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Hey guys, good evening. Good evening everyone. So kahapon nag-live tayo ngayon, live ulit tayo para mabawi natin yung Monday na absent, no? Para dire-diretso din tayo all throughout it. So tomorrow wala tayong live to yeah, tomorrow. It will be on Friday na. But definitely we'll make most of tonight topic. Tingnan din natin how's it gonna be, where the market is going. I'm also excited to check my port. Kaka-open ko lang din ng port ko. Let me just fix this one. Ayan, alright. So let me share my screen again. Okay, there we go. Alright, there you go. So magandang gabi again, everyone. Yeah. There you go. Oops, ano ba yan? Ano nangyari dito? Akala ko daw i-update. Okay, mamaya ka na. Dalawang mukha ko. Ako may mag-iaya ng Dota. Okay. Alright, so tingnan natin the market. Kanina pag-check ko, medyo I was a bit expected na mangyayari siya, but I didn't expect it will actually fall down that fast, no, in the past few days. But definitely that's the current condition of the market. It's playing around our EMA 100, so medyo expected din kahit paano. It's just a matter of, are you gonna retest this area here after this this profit taking, or are you gonna go straight diretso with the low of the channel? So isa din yun sa mga dapat nating i-check at tingnan how the market is gonna perform within the week. But may bias, it's gonna go sideways. And tingnan natin pag tumama yan dito. So far, the momentum is still strong. The momentum is still intact. But slowly, kahit paano, nagpapakiramdaman yung market in general. So isa riyan. So isa dun sa check natin yan later. Let's go to the tech stocks. Yan, tech stocks. So medyo ang tech stocks, isa din sa medyo nakikita natin is actually showing a bit of a weakness. Okay, if it will not close above this area within this week, I would consider it going more into the short side, no? Especially on the 4-hour chart, kung the market will go below this area here. Ayan, expected na to, talagang babagsak to, especially pag bumigay ang support na to. So this is very crucial. Kailangan in the next 4 hours, itawid niya ako. Hindi. Baka dumiretso to dito. Baka dumiretso. Or maging resistance siya, dumiretso siya. So tingnan natin. On the 4-hour chart, medyo malakas naman yung pinapakita niya. Playing around the zero level on the MACD. Rejecting nga lang sa 50 RSI and so those stuff. So take caution. Yan ang maganda din. Nag-take profit tayo ng mga stocks na pwede bang mag-hit ng resistance so hindi pa masyadong base kasi the market sentiment is still on the take profit. So majority of the asset or mga stock market in the US is still only bounce trade on a technical perspective. Yan, check natin. So congratulations by the way yung mga kumuha ng Facebook. Okay, on the pagbili natin umangat siya ng todo. Kahit below MA 200 may follow up pa. So ito yung titingnan natin level which is the 328 kung it's gonna support or gonna definitely on a kung magkano pa to magre-reject ba siya o dire-diretso. But the good thing is merong iniwan dito na may iniwan dito na tawag mo dito guys gap, medyo maliit na gap, hindi masyadong pansin pero significant yung level na yan. So congratulations yung mga kumuha ng Facebook yesterday kasama natin. Okay. It's 9:07, 3 minutes before we go to the crypto market in general. Honestly, ganda rin kasi kung titingnan nyo dyan, tuloy-tuloy na divergence yung pinakita ni Facebook on the RSI perspective there. Ayun, divergence na divergence, bumababa, but flat ang momentum, plus bullish divergence yung last candle ba, with a support on the 50 MA weekly chart with the pin bar. So grabe ang gandang recipe nung ipinakita ni Facebook, Ang gandang recipe. After the current EMA near the EMA, ang ganda ng ginawa pin bar on that support. That's a bullish reversal candlestick. Okay, that actually made us see na possible strong bullish reversal possible. So with a matching bullish divergence there. So it's really just an emotional selling, Ita niyo yung peg ratio yesterday, inanalyze natin yung peg ratio ni Facebook. That's super good, I-analyze natin yan later, i-drill down natin later kung may update ba sa current niya na news, what's happening on Facebook. Later, we're gonna dig in, we're gonna deep dive on the technical perspective or even some parts of the fundamentals of Facebook later. Let's go to crypto. Kasi crypto is one of the trending pa din up to now, honestly. Let's go to the mother coin. The mother of all coins. Kung titignan nyo, ayan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, better talagang ginawa ko yesterday. I took profit. Okay, I'm waiting for it to bounce on this area or even support on this area. Let's see if it's gonna trail it down or gonna break out. So, I took profit yung mga binili ko dito na area. Binili ko dito. I think yung mga binili ko dito talagang itinik profit ko ng konti. Just to respect this supply zone. Kasi malakas Malakas ng supply zone na to Yeah, medyo malakas sa supply zone talaga siya. Yeah, malakas talaga siya. So ngayon, tingnan natin, ang bias ko dito, ang bias ko for this one is, check natin to, how is it gonna play out? Ito si Bitcoin. Tingnan natin ko if it's gonna less the volatility or gonna increase the volatility. Where? On the bullish side or on the bearish side? So tingnan natin. I'm still very optimistic that Bitcoin will break this one. It's the matter of when. As long as this supply zone is intact as of the moment, super bullish ako for the crypto market in general, our Bitcoin in general. Isa rin yan. Alright, so yesterday sa live natin, we tried to rank. Ano bang kukunin ko if kung bullish ang Bitcoin on the short term? Anong kukunin ko para pinakamabilis? What's the top 4 yesterday? We tried to analyze their market structure based on their speed, based on their angle, based on what it's presenting with us, and we are correct. That BNB, Tingnan natin ulit from Ethereum. My first pick yesterday was BNB, followed by Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum directly. Yeah, for Ethereum, as mentioned, very strong si Ethereum compared to XRP on even Cardano, but it's not yet a confirmation because it's near the very strong so far, very strong na supply zone so far, so far na supply zone. So not that strong as this one, but the strong one was here. Ito yung mas strong one eh. So nasa gitna siya between the the strongest, which is this area, or this one. So definitely titin natin is if it's gonna turn out on the Ethereum. But again, as of the moment, medyo nagpapakita na siya ng signs na pwede na akong bumili dyan. Tingnan natin kung pagko-confirm yan within the week. Okay, I told you guys to buy BNB because I did bought this one. Binenta ko yung aking binenta ko yung aking, if you also notice, bumili ako yesterday, binenta ko yung this one, no? What do you call this? Yeah. So binenta ko yung Bitcoin ko, binili ko ng BNB. So yesterday, no? Ito yesterday. So lo and behold, diretso umangat siya from the other coins because nga again, ang magandang ginawa niya was structure-wise, ang ganda na pinakita niya compared to the others. What happened? Okay. Weird. So, ang ganda na pinakita niya. Compared to XRP, let's go to XRP, no? Yung mga bumili ng kahapon, congratulations. For XRP, ito yung sinabi ko no? Medyo kailangan pa niya mag-consolidate. Nauna lang talaga si Ethereum, nauna lang talaga si BNB that made them, market structure-wise, made it really fly. Because kung titingnan mo dito, after this breakout on this area, hindi na sustain nagkaroon ng talagang reversal. So I think kailangan pa nito mag-consolidate more on this area or even attack this one twice or thrice, then boom. So wala. So far, hindi pa. But the buy point actually of XRP was supposedly this one. So naka-hold period ka na when nang breakout na, which is a good buy. Ngayon, kung magkaroon ng green candle, pwede ka ulit mag-test buy. Because yun nga, retest of this area retest of that area. So, if magkaroon nagkaroon ng green candle, pwede na tumesa buy. Right now, it's still on observation status. Wala muna tayong gagawin for XRP. Hindi ako bumili. Mas pinirioritize ko si BNB. And followed by ADA as well. It's the same structure. Same structure with the price action, no? It's still consolidating on a bad shape. Medyo bad shape pa yung consolidation niya because your moving average is trying to be the resistance on a supply zone. So parang ang bigat masyado, no? Ang bigat. But the good thing is the volatility or even the volatility and even the sellers are not there. So two things lang siya. Magko-confirm yan kung anong gagawin niya dito. Itong level na to. Are you gonna bounce again? Attack the supply zone, or you're gonna fall down? Because we cannot see a movement on this near supply zone here or this resistance there, or a very strong buy on the support. So wala pa, hindi pa talaga tayo dito. I mean, I'm not totally yet solved what's happening with ADA. Very understandable. For the reason na ang bilis kasi niya initially because of the Japan news, no? Yung Japan na nakalimutan ko what kind of news was that, but there is a catalyst that actually made Cardano shoot up faster compared to the other during the previous rally ni ADSD. So again, if I'm gonna go back again on those top 4 as of the moment, I will still gonna monitor the performance of Binance and BNB USD. Balikan natin. Followed by Ethereum. Okay? Yung XRP tsaka yung etong ADA, medyo magkakaano pa to. Wala pa, hindi pa masyado. Nasaan Binance coin dito? Nawala, ano? Binance. Sana mag-live ka na. Bumati ka rin. Okay, kaya lang. There you go. Yan. Wala. Nasaan yung BNB ko? Okay, there you go. So, kung titignan dyan, medyo mas malakas, oh. Matching with this volume there. And there's a breakout today. Today, oh. Ganda ng breakout today. Yan, oh. Ganda ng breakout today. So, kung may pera pa ako, baka magdagdag ako dito. The supply zone that we're actually noticing is this area here. Yeah, this area. So, medyo malayo-layo pa ang pwedeng takboy na to. So, tingnan natin how is it gonna turn out. How is it gonna move along with this breakout there. And, maganda yung pinakita nito. Kahit nito yung gawin mo dyan, breakout din yan. Kahit ito yung basahin mo dyan, breakout din yan. Kahit itong gawin mong trend line dito, breakout din ang pinakita niyan eh. So, kita nyo, halos lahat ng angulo, breakout talaga yung itsura. Isa yan, diba? Ganda, no? So, napakagandang performance ni BNB. So, is it a buy signal? Yes, pwede pa rin to for me. It's still a safe buy, no? Aside, last but not the least is this one, no? Daming market structure-wise, maganda siya above the others. Wait lang, ito. Yes, ito. Yeah, head and shoulders. Yan, okay, yan, no? Isa dito, yan. Isa pa to. Medyo di pa natin nakikita to. Yan, yun. Kita niyo yan? Yan, no? That's a reversal, inverse head and shoulder there. So, yan. So, that's a very buy signal there. Baka magdagdag pa nga ako isa nito. Wala na akong pan-trade sa Palladium. Maganda. Nag-iwan ako ng ng konti dito. Pan-trade ko sa Palladium or sa pan-trade ko sa other na asset class. Okay. Check natin Shiba Inu din. Shiba Inu, medyo nakulangan na ako ng lakas sa Shiba Inu. Okay, pero it's still showing signs of momentum. Okay, medyo nakulangan na ako ng puwersa ng Shiba Inu. But good thing about Shiba Inu, again, tingnan mo yung red line natin. It's trailing the red line, which is indicating a potential breakout. So, isa din yan. Natitigil natin, napaka-bullish pa. Ngayon, sa itsura niyang yan, I would test buy also. I would test buy. Sarap naman bumili nito. Wait, tingnan ko nga sa daily to. Ganda trailing the MA5. Okay pa din, nasa momento pa rin siya na definitely, no? Tingnan natin. Siguro confirmation ako bibili nito. Above this area, ilang percent yan? Kasi pwede ito i-test buy, 16%. After the breakout, 16%. Pwede siguro pwedeng pumasok for Shiba Inu. So, isa din yan. Maganda rin yung structure niya. Huwag nyo masyadong pansinin si ADA tsaka si XRP as of the moment. Di pa talaga to. Mas maraming mas maganda pa eh. So, BNB is really one that I really technically recommended. Recommended. Ang ganda ng market structure ni Binance coin, no? Ito may buying signal to ngayon, may buying signal to ngayon, Very, very complete buy signal there. Kahit tingnan ko sa lower time frame to. Tingnan natin. Kaya meron din, Kaka-breakout lang sa 30 minutes, Tapos may retest pa nangyayari. May 50 up. Wala kasi ako. Gusto ko kasi mag-trade, Board. Sige, bibili na lang ako ng paano ito? Shiba. Boost na pera ko pag binili ko yan. 200 na lang na iwan. Okay. Ganda nasa all back ko So, ang binili ko ngayon, yung 300 na naiiwan ko. Nagdagdag ulit ako. Yesterday, I added to my Binance. May Binance coin here. Yesterday, bumili tayo nito yesterday. Today, I still added on the breakout. Scale up ako, mas mababang amount. Para just in case. And I decided to buy Shiba. Because of the current condition. Ganda consolidation, higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, there you go there. Tapos breakout on this area there. So ganda na pinakita. Sobra. And trailing on my support levels. So ganda. So, isa yan. Momentum. I'm pushing for momentum with the sun. Maybe I would cut loss for Shiba Inu. Before I go to the chat box where I bought is Maybe gonna cut loss siguro below EM at 10 or this support here, 20%. Pwede yan, 20% na yan. $40. Okay na yan. Ano yung Shiba Inu ko dito? $40. 46. Na, pwede tayo mag-cut loss ng 46 dito. Maliit lang yan. Yan. Para meron tayong cut loss. Kasi momentum very high risk. Let's go to the chat box. Noben Pasio, good evening. Sana may... Okay, ADA and XRP, Miss Hannibal. So, I would recommend you BNB. Okay, recommend BNB over those two. So, I would recommend yun, both BNB versus the ADA and XRP. So, isa yan. Isa yan sa na-recommend ko kung compare. But if you would ask me to choose between ADA and XRP, I would choose XRP as of the moment. So, ADA still on a bad shape for ADA so far. No? Alright. Also, LSI, trend break, KNC, XLM. Okay, we still have 8 minutes for our crypto. Yeah, there you go. XLM. Ganda rin yung XLM. Ako, breakout ko to trade. Breakout in this area here. Hindi pa siya for me buy totally. Test buy may be a good idea, but if you want the confirmation, paangatin mo pa yan ng a few percentage. Mga 5%, 6% more. Pag umangat yan, pwede na. Okay? Maganda naman yung pinapakita niya so far. Pwede naman siyang i-test buy na. Okay? Build up naman siya. But on a 4 hour, sigurado, sideways pa. Baka mag-resistance, bumalik pa dun eh. If you're conservative, you can buy here. Okay, pag bumagsak siya ng 2% or another retest, 7%. If mag-breakout, bili. So, medyo nasa sideways pa kasi on a 4-hour chart. No? Yan. What else? There you go. Ano ba? LSI, KNC. LSI. Tingnan mo natin LSI. LSI trend breaks. Pwede rin si LSI. Ganda rin, no? Finance, real estate investment. Pwede rin si LSI. There is a significant breakout here with matching volume around that area. Created a higher low and also this reversal and a retest there. So definitely this is also a buy even up to now. Kung bibili mo to on the opening, just cut loss below here. Pwede ka mag 7% or even 5% on your trade plan. So yung silip na yan, continuation tawag dyan, continuation pattern. So isa yan na dapat, pwede itong bilhin, honestly. This is a potential buy, Potential buy yan pa rin. Isa yan. Okay. Alright, there you go. Tingnan natin. Anong yan? Okay. Alright. So, only Shiba, Tesla, OCGN. Okay. OCGN. Shiba. Tapos tayo kay Shiba. Shiba, I did buy. Shiba, Tesla. There you go. Tesla, tradable. Tradable on the momentum. Breakout on the current condition. So, pwede yan. I did recommend this one, but medyo kung bibilin mo pa ito ngayon, medyo high risk ka na ng konti. If you know how to do momentum trading, pwede. If not, don't catch it. Kasi your room for growth for the resistance is way too near. No? Medyo malapit-lapit ka na sa resistance. So, medyo late ka ng konti. If you know how to do momentum trading, pwede mo siyang gawin. No? Just like yung mga Shiba Inu na masa tok-tok, okay lang. No? Isa rin yan. Oli. Sino si Oli? Ba tayo, Oli? Okay. Pero, hindi ko na ito Only if you actually waiting for this support na nangyari siya ngayon, you buy that one. Hindi pa siya totally, for me, hindi pa siya totally. It might actually go back again here. First pa lang niya na-establish ng base. So, hindi pa siya totally. I wanted it to really go sideways. Kapag ng ginawa niya dito. Yan, pwede yan. Pero hindi breakdown. So far, hindi pa. Hindi pa siya... It's creating its base further. So, isa yan. Okay. Shiba. Ilang taon na si Tesla? Pataas pa ba? Yeah, pataas pa si Tesla. Nasa breakout naman. OCGN from Ryan. There you go for ECGN. OCGN was a breakout yesterday. Binalik niya naman niya. Okay naman na to. Tingnan natin lang kung the supply zone. Harap tayo supply zone. Wala na masyado no? Okay. For this one, pwede tayo to-mess by dito if bumalik. Kung hindi, for OCG, kasi nag-reversal Okay, nag-reversal. Kung ibalik na dyan, better, tapos umangat. So, kung magkaroon ng balik dito, tapos konting green dyan, pwede tayo kumuha. Okay? Or possible kasi yan, tatlong bagay lang yan. Tatlong gagawin ni Shinon dito. Ibabagsak ulit dito, sunod-sunod, like ganyan. Ibabalik, aangat, or ibabalik sa sideways muna. Sasabay ito, tsaka ito, before mag-decide. So, if you wanna go aggressive for our chart, bili. Pag nag-bounce na area na to. With kahit tumama lang sa mga tip na yan, mga 8.77, tapos nag-green, few percentage, pwede siya i-test by Forex. Pero kung ngayon, wag muna. Tingnan muna natin how is it gonna play around the price action, price action. Okay, so ilang taon ka na ba mag-eToro? Anong name mo sa eToro? I have 2 accounts. This is my aggressive account, which is I trade consistently. It's private kasi medyo high risk. But kung titignan mo din dito, I already made like 1,389 trades. So I'm already up by 57% so far. Okay naman. So far, that's ano natin. And yung long term ko for copy trading. Pero pang long term, like the goal is buy and hold. I'm flat, 1%. I'm not beating the market on this port. I need to adjust something here. Okay. So good thing about it is medyo in-increase ko yung risk. Kaya before 2% lang drawdown ko, bumagsak ng 4% because of this incident on March. At saka noong September pala. No, dalawa account, apat yung account ko sa eToro. Ayan. Gusto mo i-copy yan, si Sir John Hilo. So, Future 101, yan. Ito, si Sir, ito, yan. Kung gusto nyo yung kopya, si Sir, ito, yan. Si Future 101 natin, kopyahin nyo. Si Little Miss A, mga recommended ko na Filipino. So, yan. Ito mga kopyahin nyo. So, yung mga Wise Investors Family. Diba? Love your own. Alright. BNGO is still hindi pa rin ako solve kay BNGO so far, pero ganda naman ni BNGO so far It's still on the support, but medyo may rejection pa So tingnan natin how is it gonna play out. Medyo hindi pa siya, though may base na kine-create. Tingnan natin dito kung itawid niya muna to. Ito muna. Okay, tingnan natin muna, itawid niya at ibalik niya dyan. So, it means to say, tawid mo konti, ibalik mo dyan before umangat, pasok. But, if you wanna be safe, get on the support. Ang problem mo lang for BNGO is, if I'm gonna turn off all my moving average, you can see a gap here. Na possible, balikan pa niya. Kaya medyo alanganin pa ako dito, no? Ito. Medyo alanganin pa ako yan, no? May gap na ipinakita. So, diba? Another gap is this area. So, usually based on history, binabalikan talaga nila yan. And it didn't actually still, no, na close this gap. And structural-wise, papaba talaga siya. Okay? Kahit may support siyang binibuild, kung papansinin mo, Distributor, tawag natin, distributory yung itsura ng pagbaba niya. No? Distributory, medyo base, pababa. So, tingnan natin. How is it gonna play out, no? For BNGO. Alibaba. Alright, for Alibaba, honestly, si Alibaba, binenta ko muna yung sa akin. Sa trading platform ko. Dalawa kasi yung sa akin eh. Wait lang ha. Ito. Binenta ko muna yung isa ako eh. Okay, wait lang ha. Saan yun? Saan yun ha? So wala akong Alibaba dito. Yung isa ay binenta ko muna. Ang gusto ko mangyari kay Alibaba for my trade, no, yung trade ko dito, is ibalik man lang niya kahit sa MA20. Yun gusto ko muna mangyari sa kanya. But, if you're up for a long term, okay na yan eh. Bumili ka na dun sa ilalim, kasabay natin. Pwede na. Pwede mo nang i-hold yan. Buy and hold mo yan. It will do, first the market will do a breathe in, breathe out. But if you really wanted to timing it that much, ako gusto ko talang hintayin bumalik dito. Kung mag-breakout man, habulin ko lang, okay lang. Medyo kasi medyo ingat pa akong konti, no? Alibaba ko nga, still red eh, no? Alibaba ko in general. Ito yung isa kong port eh. Sorry, mali. May Bitcoin din ako dito. Saan yung Alibaba ko dito? So, red pa nga si Alibaba ko. Isa pa rin yung pinakamalaking umbili sa ilalim. So, I've been buying, pababa talaga kay Alibaba. So, red pa. But, buy and hold yan. Ganda naman siya. Totally. ASXM. Late na ba? Nakabili ako sa baba. AXM. Ito. ASXM. Ito AXXM. ASXM. Wala eh. Wala sa akin. Anong company yan, bro? Ayan. Thanks. Follow kita, Mark. I'm RK. Sige, Sir Mike. Hindi ako masyadong nagpo-post sa eToro ka. Okay. Medyo dito ako nagpo-post sa page ko kasi I'm not really after for the followers. Ang gusto ko lang ipakita dito is long-term investing effective. So, yun lang naman sa akin na buy and hold ka lang. May strategy ka. You have money in place. Flat or basta hindi nasusunog yung pera mo. That's what important, no? And flat or growing better if you're beating the market much better as well. So, but since I'm hunting a lot of accounts, mahirap. Na-realize ko, dami ko palang But definitely, wala akong masyadong dito. Wala akong post, oh. The last post I made from this was 4 months ago. Okay. Yeah, but definitely, I'm confident that I'm gonna beat the market this year. Hopefully. Ang goal ko naman kasi dito sa port ko to at least 10% a year, okay na ako eh. Yan ang goal ko eh, no? Ayan, 10% a year, beating inflation, good na ako dyan. Alright, so MAMRK XM. Okay, XM. XM. Awesome. This one. Alright, okay. Health tech. Market cap of 1.2B. Ingat for this one, ha. Ang ko dito is ingat for this one. Medyo magalaw siya. Kasi very low market cap and biotech, no? Biotech siya. Yeah, health technology. So medyo magalaw to. When it comes to technically medyo mahilig mag-gap up eh. Kung bibili wise, meron ka pang room for growth here ngayon. This is your cut loss. Ayan. 1:1 ka lang kung bibili ka ngayon. Now, if you wanted to kabayan talaga yung angat nito. Okay. Ibaba mo yung risk-reward ratio mo dito. Pababay mo siya konti. Dito kasi basta alam mo lang fundamentally why you are buying this Asan yung text to no? Ito. Nawala yung aking Yun, na pala. Ano ba yan? So ako suggestion ko to dito. Bilhin siya dyan, balik siya dyan. TP1 is here, cut loss is here. So yan pa yung niya yung kumbaga decent trade niya. Another strategy is you trail the trend line. Kung bumalik siya sa trend line, Naglaro siya sa trend line ulit. Then, bilhin natin. Pero usually, tingin ko dito, Tingin ko dito, dalawa lang naman po gagawin ito, eh. Ipupunta rito, may 100. Ipo-pull back, ipa-follow to. Or, ipo-pull back, tapos iaangat. If pataas, it's bullish. So, pili ka nung gusto mong gano'ng ka-aggressive yung gusto mong gawin. Ingat ka lang kasi may gap up. May gap up. May gap up today. So, kung gusto mo makasigurado, bili mo siya below the gap para pag nag-bounce, okay. Tingnan natin. May gusto akong gawin dito. Hypothetical lang. Hypothetical analysis. Gusto mo set order? Yan. Ito talaga 36 or 33. Ayan, within this range, makakuha ka. Safe na yan. Good, decent na yan na trade. With the current niya na momentum. So, ayan. Kaya wag muna dito. Ito, babanggayan dyan, most likely. Tsaka may gap up today. Tapos sentiment, pangit pa. So, ingat lang. Mas mababagsak siyan. FCL, uy, congratulations sa kumuha ng FCL kahapon. It's doing good so far. Kaso lang, it's hitting the MA100. Katulad, ito. Specific example, nag-gap up, Tapos near MA100. So, isa yan. Pero hold tayo dyan, Hold ako dyan. FCL, no? $20 kanina, no? Itong basag balik na naman sa ano niya. So, hold na ako dito. Ang ganda na yung pinakita, Pero let's go back to Facebook. Ano ba yung ginawa na yung Facebook? Ganda, no? Kaya, it's a matter of to go today or tomorrow, it's gonna reject or not. Ganda, no? Bullish talaga ito ng momentum, scrutinize natin later yan. Yan ang gusto kong topic natin for tonight's topic. Alright, run. Sige, balik natin kay run. Ganang ginawa ni run, no? Rejection on the supply zone. Pull back tayo dito, sir. Pull back tayo dito. Utilities alternative power. Alternative, ano yan? Talaga, alternative talaga. Tama dyan? Clean energy? Clean energy din pa ito na, try ano to? So, meron reversal, Dito pa lang, Pwede yan dito. Ayan, reversal yung ginawa, no? So, tingnan natin, how is it gonna play out? But good thing is going above MA200. Pwede ito ilagay sa watchlist. Mga ganyan. Lagyan natin sa watchlist na natin. Not now. Pangit pa itsura. Crowd. TI support. Ito muna, TI support. Uy, si Crowd, Billet Scout. Kaya lang, Kaya, definitely price action. Ninja signals. Definitely. Binito today, Late lang ng konti. Supply zone is here. Kung bibili ka niyan today, ingat ka dito sa area na to. So, this one is your TP1. 7%. Ito. Yan. So, kung ito yung magawin mo resistance, ayan siya current price. Dito ka lang. Ayan, 1:1 ka ngayon. Pero maganda na ginawa, breakout, tapos higher low. Pwede to, Pwede rin yan si Crowd. Maganda rin. TI support. TI support. Yan dito. Saan support? Ito? Yeah, pwede naman. Pero ito nakakatakot kasi dito, Ito. Ayan. Double top. Breakdown ng shoulder. So, baka bumagsak pa yan. So, isa yan. No? Isa yan na wag natin, tingnan natin dyan. STLD. Still dynamics. Price action wise, wala pa tayong confirmation. Okay, wala pa so far. Good news. Breakout na siya. So, going sideways pa to. Babalik pa yan. Magko-consolidate pa yan more. So, wala pa siyang buy signal so far for this one. Plug. Isa na tayo. Plug. Plug, too late. Okay. Too late for plug. Ayan. Dito, gap up. Huwag kabulin. Delikado yung ganyan. Near the resistance already. Huwag kabulin. Isa yan. Pag mga gap up. Isa yan na huwag nyo nga habulin. Okay. RITC. Ganda na RITC ko guys ha. Okay, Shiba Inu, Sunpower. Okay. SE trend break. Ito, pwede rin to. Ito, buy signal to guys. MA50 breakout. Daming signals ito. Breakout. Continuation pattern. So, isa din to na pwede nyong i-trade or bilhin. Dami. SAP. Up 4%, gap up. Pag breakout kasi o na-gap up, ayoko kasi siyang kunin. Pwede kasi i-gap down. If nag-decide si market i-gap up, pwede rin mag-decide i-gap down. Diba? So, wala eh. Walang not good siya so far, no? Okay, Sun W, Adobe, WMT, bearish. Okay, very bearish. WMT as of the moment. Not good for WMTs. KNX, isa lang natin. KNX, pwedeng test buy. Holdings tracking, pwede test buy, support level, up, higher high. Test buy, pwede. Ayan lang, no? Kahit i-clone ko lang to. Saan yung clone ko dito? Ayan, okay. Baba. Ayan. Test buy, pwede. Okay, kasi ako bibili ako sa makataas na, depende. Sa Adobe. Adobe, babalik pa yan dito. Or babalik pa yan dito. Hindi pa siya totally. Though may isang trend break dito, no? Trend break, masyadong matulis. Yung pagka-trend break na hindi help. For me, technical bounce lang yan. Tulis ng patulis yung pagkaka-break. So, tingnan natin. But, pwede pati umangat kasi may gap naman na ginawa eh. So, it's just that, for me, baka lang to mag-create ng base for it to go up more. Okay. OCGN, yeah, pwede to si OCGN bukas or today. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nag-close ba yung gap yesterday? As long as OCGN is trading above this level, okay tayo dyan. Okay, ito. Dyan siya nag-close. Pwede natin niyang pasukin bukas. Kasi mangyayari dito, possible pa yan mag-sideways dyan. As long as it's here. No? As long as it's here. Netflix, NPFLX. Netflix is structural, okay naman. After breakout nito, baka swing na, baka ano na to, distribution period na to sa itsura niya. Tingnan natin dito. Tingnan natin na sideways. Hindi naman, so normal lang siya. For Netflix, ako chill lang ako siguro for Netflix. Hindi ko gusto yung itsura niya. Siguro MA20 is a good test buy there. Hindi ko siya yung momentum. Daming trick sa taas eh. So for Netflix. Christian J, SQ. Hindi rin ako kanina kay SQ para distribution period yung itsura. Okay, tapos so far, downtrend sa current niya. Okay. Pababa. Para distribution phase yung pinapakita nito. MC. Medyo late na tong konti. Market cap 4.5 B. Wait lang. Tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3. MA10, MA20. MA10, MA20. If mag-breakout, kuha. Momentum. MA10, MA20 kuha. So, MA10 or MA20 would be a strategic buy for that. Mag-breakout, pwede i-trade ng breakout. Pwede na bang kumuha ulit kay Facebook? Balikan natin si Facebook. Okay, nagre-reject sa MA10 so far. Nagre-reject sa MA10, which is okay lang naman. Medyo chill lang naman siya. Pwede na bang kumuha ulit ngayon? Wag muna. Technical bounce pa yung nangyari. Pero reversal candle yan, ha? Reversal candle. Possible pa yan bumaba. Kasi, ayan, nakita mo yung resistance, oh. Nasa resistance area siya, eh. So, pwede yan maglaro. Pero ako, I'm gonna hold on to what we buy, ah. I'm gonna hold on to that. OCG, tapos na. MCTTM. Effective ba si stochastics? Depends on how you use it. So, Alex Brundayan, depends on how your perspective. Ako kinukuha ko na dito is ang kinitingnan ko lang sa stochastic is my entry signal. So, it measures the highs and lows plus the momentum of a certain stock based on the 30 and 80 level there. It's my entry signal. Pero in terms of momentum, binabasa ko pa din ang RSI, even MACD is also my momentum. DE Chibdori. Hindi na tayo nag-sectoral rotation, ha, pero okay lang kasi 1 hour lang naman ako. 1 and 15 minutes. Daming trabaho ngayon. Sobrang busy. Hindi ako makatrade din. Check natin si Chidori. Chidori, check natin. Sino yung tanong Chidori? Si Sir June. DE. DE buys Chidori. Hindi na to Chidori. Why ito? Diba? So, hindi siya Chidori na. Kita mo yung value. So, it's not the Chidori anymore. I hope that helps. Alright. Sige. Jibo. Jibo, Timus, ABNB. Jibo. Check na si Jibo. Jibo. Si Jibo, nag-fake breakout kahapon, eh. Bumuha ako nito kahapon dito sa breakout. Nag-fake breakout. Cut-loss ko dito siguro kay Jibo is fake breakout kahapon, eh, no? Ayan, no? Nag-breakout siya dyan. Binagsak dito 8%. So, as long as it's holding this area here, I'm gonna hold on to Jibo. Yung binili ko. Tingnan natin yung binili ko kahapon. Bumili ako niyan kahapon. Ayan, no? Bumili ako kahapon. So, I'm down by 16%. Ito ba yun? Kaya kahapon. So, naka times 2. Tingnan natin mamaya. Kahapon, mga binili natin, blue. Tingnan natin si blue. Ganda nito ni blue, eh. Ano, ganda, oh. Diba? Price action, oh. Oh, cup and handle, oh. Slow but sure lang. Diba? So, ganda. So, definitely, ano. Oh, confirmation pa ulit today. Ay, sarap. May pera pa ako. Babagdag ako dito. Oh, I'm blue. Diba? IRTC is doing good, oh. Galing, ah. By the way, thank you for this one, ha. Nagbabuy up ako because of you. Yung nag-recommend na to. Pakitaas ko, if nanonood ka. Lakas, eh, oh. Nag-diretso din siya, eh, on the cap pattern. Trying to do the base. Medyo kinabahan lang ako dito sa gap na to. But definitely, I'm gonna monitor this one and respect the resistance there. Do the scale-up buying talaga ako nito for this one, IRTC. So, tinignan ko, minemonitor ko, kung ganda ng ginagawa. Bili nga, dahan-dahan nga tayo bili. And then yesterday, I also buy more. Maliit nga lang kasi capital ko kahapon. Pero sige lang. Jibo, Timus, ABNB. Timus. Isa lang. Imus, wala pa tong base. Tapos na yung season nito. Telecommunication. Technical bounce pwede. May divergence tayo nakikita. Pwede pumasok ngayon. Tingnan natin kung Chido rito. Pwede siyang pasukin ngayon. Kung may pera ka, bumili ka na ngayon. Kung may... Ito, Chidori Sir June. Ayan, o. Kita mo yung... Tingnan mo yung value. Medyo late na nga ito ng konti. Kahapon yung bili. Yung pulang candle na yan. Konti lang. Pero pwede pa yan umabol ngayon. Bukas, aangat pa to. Tingin ko dito, mga dyan. 3%. Cut loss mo dyan, mga 1% lang. O 1:3. So, ito. Yan, Sir June. O. Diba? Kita mo yung values. Yan ang Chidori. Then, patungan mo lang ng price action, which is nasa support naman siya ng Chidori. So, very good siya ng si Chidori. Mark Santos, kakanood ko lang ulit. FB ulit. Okay, thank you. Later. HDT, Byakugan. Sige, check natin yan. Please natin mag-check. Dami. Pansin nyo, sa isang araw, pag nag-live tayo, build, no? Ito, bili. Okay. Base mag-decide. Ito. Pwede naman. It's just that ang reservation ko lang nito, kailangan may ipakita niya yung breakout. Kasi baka bumalik bumaba ulit. Ang bili kasi nito supposedly kahapon. Kung ngayon siya nagbiyakugan, may signs na possible niya i-breakout. But yun nga lang, malakas yung resistance. Yun nga lang, malakas yung resistance nito on this area. No, may breakout pa rin siya, no? Tingnan natin yung mga supply zone nito. Okay. Alright, there you go. Alright, so it's 9:53. Let's go back to Facebook because I wanted to analyze the trade. Yung trade natin kahapon. Can I have a show of hands by typing number 10 on the chat box who bought with us yesterday with Facebook? Para din yung mga wala kahapon, they can also try to how did we thought process Facebook yesterday. So yesterday we catch Facebook on a definitely a red candle na talagang bagsak siya yesterday. Kahapon natin binili, nag-bounce siya today, ngayon trying to decide kung babalik ba siya o pa hindi. So, ano yung naging decision factor natin for buying Facebook yesterday? Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Isa. Ako, bumili ako yesterday. Dalawa nga, binili ko eh. Karoon ako pera, bili. Pero sayang, no? Alright, so ulitin natin ngayon kahapon, ha? So, the reason why Facebook is really going down, no? Going down, no? Siguro pwede nyo itong i-trail stop if Facebook will close below this area. So, if Facebook will close here around 1% more baba, pwede tayo mag-trail stop there. So, mga around this area. Meaning, kung may profit ka na, i-trail stop mo para meron ka pang room na may profit ka from this where we bought it. Dito natin binili sa pinakailalim yun, no? So, may profit ka pa ng 1% kasi medyo pababa pa siya. But if Facebook will hold on this price, definitely, it will definitely hold on to that until the full reversal. So let's actually try to trade walkthrough sa mga nanood kahapon. All right. So kung hindi ka nanood kahapon, this is your anong ginawa namin kahapon. Yesterday, tinignan namin ang mga blue chips. So pababa ang market, pababa ang lahat. Una, we saw that Facebook is near the MA50. That's one on a weekly chart. And emotionally, on the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, Facebook is going down. For what reason? Ang tawag dyan, yung whistleblower na scandal. And in the past, Facebook is always doing that. Cambridge Analytica scandal, like tech monopoly scandal, daming dyan, no? And people are panicking selling. But fundamentally, technically, nasa MA50 siya ng weekly chart. So, it means to say, there's still a possibility mag-bounce pa more to within the week. No? Kahit nga ibalik niya ng support niya, baka bumili ulit ako. Example, ibalik niya dito. Sample guys, ibalik niya yan dito, no? Ibalik niya yan dito. Nag 2% down in the next few days. Bibili ulit ako dito pag binalik niya yan dyan. So, kasi meaning, nagsa-second retest na green, pwede pa. Technically, also, what we notice also is a bullish divergence. Ito, yan, oh, bullish divergence. Tapos, yes, yeah, tapos confirm today. So, ngayon, tapos na yung bullish divergence na yan. Kung tinindi natin ang MACD trying to cross near the zero line. So, isa din yun. Technically, pwede talaga siyang bilhin on the support level. And yesterday, it confirmed with a bullish reversal pin bar on a support level weekly chart. So, ganda na ipinakita niya. So, bakit yung nagre-red siya? Siyempre, may resistance pa din nakikita yan so far. But, hindi naman ganun ka-significant. And, this is also one thing. Earnings report on October. So, yesterday, tingnan natin si PEG ratio. Ano ba pinag-aralan nila yung PEG ratio? Di ba? Tingnan natin ano bang mga competition ni Facebook? Di ba? Si Google, si Twitter, Verizon, and Facebook. Tingnan natin yung fair value nila, discount nila fundamentally. Facebook is so attractive that it actually have a discount of 20% based on the earnings and its current price of the panic selling. But of course, kaya naman nagpa-panic selling yan, dalawang bagay lang yan. Is it really a good? Is it really about emotional selling or is it really the business is affected too much that it could drop off their sales? Yun lang naman yun, no? So, we also noticed from Facebook yesterday, galing nung PEG ratio na to. Yung nagturo sa akin ito, kudos with you. Okay, so yesterday, we also try to notice the fundamental. Kasi bumabagsak si Facebook eh. We're trying to get them on a discounted price plus a technical perspective. So, hindi nagbago. Kailan to last update niya? The PEG ratio is less than 1. And yung mga competition niya, Google, Twitter, ano ba isa? Verizon, is more than 2. So, it's actually more overvalue. The PEG ratio is actually get from the PE ratio plus its expected earnings. So, meaning, yung discounted mo ba, sobrang discounted na expected ka to grow in the next 5 years. Tapos, mag-arrive ka less than 1. That's the PEG ratio growth. So, if the PEG ratio is less than 1, it's undervalued. Undervalued what? Mag-grow ka talaga, undervalue, or may problema ka sa negosyo. So, for Facebook, which is a dominant in the industry of social media, very attractive. Technically, pasok pa. So, when we got it, sabi ko, galing. Nag-bounce siya kagad, nag-react siya agad because of that analysis. So, nakailang bili tayo kay Facebook yesterday? 2. So, kung may pera pa ako, bibili ako. Wala na ako pera ngayon. So, bumili din ako sa long term ko, isa doon. So, isa yon sa nakita natin. And, if the fair value of Facebook is 20%, so we're expecting from the fair value nito, Morningstar, no? Tingnan natin ng Morningstar nito. Nasa fair value nito, hindi pa nga ganun ka, ito si Facebook, ito si fair value, hindi pa to as accurate as intrinsic value kasi intrinsic value is divided on the number of shares ng company na current. So, balik natin ng Morningstar analysis ni Facebook. Ganda, galing. So, I'm gonna apply this on my new 20% fair value for 407. So, 407 ng fair value niyan. On the current price, when we got it from this blue line, kahapon binili natin dyan, 407, we are expecting to at least hit our target around 30%. So, 20% discounted siya kasi pababa naman. Pero mga 30% at least from this buy period here. Okay, so to balance that out, technically, hindi pa tayo dapat magdiwang kasi wala pa naman siya sa full reversal niya. Okay? Possible pa yung mag-reject dito. But as long as this area is holding, itong area na to specific 317, we're in still good hands with the current condition of Facebook. So, isa yan sa napakagandang itsura ni Facebook and how we drive out to that buy coming from technicals plus fundamentals. So, imagine mo pag binangbangga mo yung technicals plus fundamentals, no? Nakuha mo pa siya ng ganun kagandang presyo. Tapos naglatak ka ng malaking pera, di ba? Siyempre, dapat not more than 5%. Yan naman yan yung proper risk management sa sa mga malalaking investment. Not more than 5% of your total port. So far, we're still good. At magdadagdag tayo ng Facebook if our MA5 will cross over our MA20. Isa yan na pagdadagdagan natin ngayon. We're still gonna hold. Hold muna tayo. As long as this is maganda na yung position natin, maganda na yung base natin. So, let's hold that one. So, yung mga di pa nakano kahapon, very good yan dyan. And yesterday as well, tinuro din natin about buying. No? For example, itong investment ko na to is $600 in general. So, kung titignan mo dyan sa total number ng account ko was 9,650. 9,000. So, I'm over 2%, which is okay kasi trail up. So, kung titignan mo din yung bili ko dito, 4 na bili ang ginawa ko. Grabe pala itong una kong bili, nag 100% na. Times 5 kasi. Yung unang bili was this October, no? So, alright. So, ginawa natin dito, bili every breakout. You can do the same. Or bili, pag maganda naman fundamentals, pwede ka bumili pababa. Bumili pababa. Example, like Facebook. Bili ka sa mga currency port. Ito pag maganda yung fundamentals, nakita mo yung peg ratio, maganda, panic selling yung mga tao. Katulad nito, siguro kung bumabagsak si Facebook, tapos technical, bibili ako pababa sa mga ganyan kagandang companies. Una dito, una dyan, pangalawa dyan, or pangalawa dito, mga moving average. 50, yan, then, palaki ng palaki. Up to 5% of your total port. Tapos hold mo na. If magbibili ka ng pataas, katulad kay RRTC, you can do the same. Trade walkthrough, ginawa ko dito, I bought this one here, itong green candle na to, on that support. Kasi I noticed that after the gap up, less volatility, then nagkakaroon ng bounce here on this area. Bumili ako, nagdagdag ako sa breakout nito, consolidation. Nagdagdag ulit ako near the breakout at bumili ulit ako ng breakout. So, 4 na bili. Kung may pera pa ako, bibili pa ako ngayon. Or mag-pullback ng MA5. Pwede kong bilhin yan. So far. Ganda na pinakita eh. So, isa yan na tinitingnan ko. Di ko kilala tong company na to. Ako nang nangyayari dito. Technical lang. Wala lang pang alam pa. Kung may alam ka pa, no? So, isa yan na pwede nyo gawin. Buy up or buy down. Kasi kung $50 lang yan, tapos mag 100% lang yan, $50 lang din kikitain mo. Diba? Kung piso lang inilagay mo, kahit 100% ba yan, piso lang din yan, no? So, yan, isa din yan. So, may ano din ng volume. So, isa din yun, natitingnan nyo. But definite, dapat calculated mo. Hindi ka basta-basta bibili ng hindi ka sigurado. Yan, isa din yan na dapat nating i-make sure. So, example, nagkamali ka, katulad nito. Mga mali kong trades, may mga pula din ako dito. Ito, Jivo, sample. Kahapon, bumili ako kahapon. Okay, tingnan natin, down ako by $40 times 2. 200 nilagay natin sa fake breakout. Imagine mo kung malaki pa nilagay ko dyan, masakit yan. Diba? O nag-fake breakout lalo, tapos malapit ako mag-cut loss dito. Pag nag-close yan below there, bukas ka-cut loss ko na yan. Dito natin kinuha, taas niya, no? Sa breakout na yan. So, isa din yan. So, dapat, how much is you're willing to risk pag bumagsak siya at saan siya babagsak? Ilan percentage yun? Dapat calculated mo before ka pumasok. Hindi yun na-excite ka. Pasok ka ng pasok. Mahirap yan. Okay? Isa yan. So, dapat nyong kino-compute. Tinuturo yan sa masterclass natin, guys. Madali. May computation yung masterclass using the leverage and all those stuff. Decide. Ito yung papasok ko. Risk reward ko. Ito yung how much will I put. Ito yung pasok with my current standing. Also then, pwede ko rin turo sa inyo with how much I do. Like, ito, free asset strategy. Example, hindi ka naniniwala kay Bitcoin. Tapos, ang hindi mo naniniwala kay Bitcoin, ayaw mo mag-risk too much kasi speculative before. Yung gains mo, yun yung gawin mong capital. Trade mo siya, Pag nag-sign ng weakness, tanggalin mo yung kapital. Bili ko ulit sa support, sign ng weakness, tanggalin mo yung kapital. Paulit-ulit hanggang na libre silang lahat. So ito na lang yung last ko na bili na hindi ko hino-hold ko pa ngayon. Hindi, tinake profit ko pala yung recent na iba. Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah, so isa yan. So ganun din yung pwede nyo gawin. Para pwede kayo. No? Isa din yung marami strategies na pwede nyo gawin. Kailangan lang may organize nyo siya and someone will guide you. No? Sa masterclass, yung mga coaches natin, gagaling dyan. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. Ayan, kung mga kumuha kayo ng Timus kanina, ayan, green na kayo ngayon. So, wag na pa tumpik-tumpik ba, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Pwede pa kayong kumuha ng Timus. This is what we call Chidori technique. So, we buy the stock that is actually emotionally selling. Then we buy them at their strength of selling. Then we saw a weakness on the last selling dito. Bibilin ko yan, yung pulang kandila na yan. Yan, green ang pasok. So, diba, na-green na oh. Sabi ko, kuha na kayo kanina. We call this Chidori kasi ang bilis siyang bumagsak. So, ang bilis siyang bumagsak, mabilis na siya angat. So, I'm expecting a 3% profit if you bought kanina, mga 1%. Your cut loss is only 1% lang oh, cut loss mo dito. 1.5. Pwede ng 1.5. So, Chidori pwede to. Hanggang MA10. Honestly, dito pa yan eh. Pwede pa yan dyan, no? 6%. Pwede pa yan. Or dito. Ano? To be safe dito, pwede na yan. Yan. 4%. Yan lang risk reward mo, no? 1:2. So, Timus. Kung bumili ka Timus, congrats. Lalo na pag nag-breakout tong area na to. So, yan yung mga matututunan sa masterclass. So, yung mga checklist ng, ito pa, bibiling ko pa to, bumabagsak. So, yan. Alright, let's go back. ACB. ACB, okay ginagawa niya. I like what it's doing. Consolidating. Trying to get momentum. Most likely dito, three things na mangyari dito. Will play around this level. Kasi may resistance sa dyan. It will consolidate. As long as this trend line is still intact, we can consider this as support because it's already reversal eh. Okay? As long as this area is intact, we're gonna hold on to this for this one. Kahit bumagsak ulit-ulit yan dito, hold ko pa din yan kasi hanggang January ko pa yan ibebenta eh. Yung ACB ko. ACB ko naka-calculate na yun eh, hanggang dyan. So, pang position yan, position buy. Alright, what else? SPWR, tingnan natin on the chat box. Arcad trend break. Ang dami natin buy signal kanina. I hope you're paying attention. May pinakita yung mga tao. So, trend, buy signal din to guys. Ganda ng ginawa, oh. Coiling. Oh, trend break. Ayan, coiling, oh. Buy signal today. Ang ganda ng ginawa, no? Perfect na coiling talaga siya, no? Wow. Ayan. So, continuation pattern. Pwede rin to. Oh, this is your risk reward. Ayan. 1:1 ka dito. Or this is your 1:2. Ayan. 2% ka risk. 4% cut loss. So, ayan. Dito. Di kita makita sa eToro. Gusto kita i-copy. Hindi ko pinapakopy. Okay. Kung gusto mo i-copy, ito lang. Ito yung makukopya mo sa akin. Okay, low risk lang, 10% a year, pwede na sa'yo. Okay, pero may babaguhin kasi ako dito. Sige, pwede naman i-copy kung gusto niyo. May copiers naman ako 15. Okay lang. Okay lang. My goal lang for this sport is 10%, 12%, masaya na ako. Copy niyo yung mga Vice Investors family natin dyan. Si Future 101. O, ito mga, bibigyan ko ng copiers. Si Future 101, to, nag-aral pa talaga to. No? Graduate to ng eToro, no? From, Elite Club member. So, this year, ito, one of our coach. Ayan, follow nyo to guys. Chicks, di ba? Chicks na magaling mag-trade. So, Little Miss A, copy nyo to. May copiers and 44. One of our coach as well. Ito din, from Team 1. 52% this year. Kaka-graduate lang ni Sir S. Mark sa akin November. So, November Tesla batch, October, November to. Copy nyo to. Taga Poland, may 15 copiers. Yan, mga copyhin nyo. Ito, trader. Si si buy and hold si Sir Future tsaka si Little Miss A. To trader to, daming trades ito sigurado. O nagba-buy and hold ka ba? S-Mark. Tingnan natin si S-Mark. Hindi, buy and hold din pala siya. Tingnan natin yung 1 year nito. 370. Swing trader or position trader yung ginawang strategy niya. Okay, so yeah. Kung kukope mo yun, I will do some adjustments within the month. Yung gagawin ko doon. Kaso lang, kailangan ko pa i-rebalance yan eh. So, Wise Investors PH. Alright. ACB, ano pa ba next natin dito? TQQQ. Ito maganda to, times 2 eh, no? Times 2 ng Nasdaq. Kaso kailangan mo yung timing yan eh. Ito siya. Alright, if you're not part of my elite club, so, sino to? Si Sir Edwin. Okay, I'll just give you one free analysis. I'll give you one free analysis because on the elite club, we're prepared always for what's ahead. So, I mean to say, we're prepared always on what's coming, no? I'll give you one analysis. This is pro shares. Okay, ito. Okay, I'll give you one analysis from this one. Ito na lang, monthly report. Yan. Okay, so gusto mo ng one analysis from the tech stocks? Pa-type naman ako isang malupit na, malapit tayo mag-time. Isang malupit na number 8 dyan sa chat box. Nagawa pa akong dito, monthly stocks. So, regarding TQQ, kasi it is an ETF cap related to Nasdaq, diba? Bibili mo to, monthly stocks update to. I'll give you one pre-analysis from our elite report. Alright. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. Ang slide number ko ba yun? Alright. Ito. Okay. This one. Okay. Ito. Yan. Yan. Ito yung mabibigay ko na lang sa yung libre. Yan. Okay. Dito. Yan. Okay. Yung quarter na to. So, the probability of closing it positive, the whole sector of SPX 500 is only a bit flat or 0.8% or near 1% coming from a decline of September is October. So, it means to say, ang nakikita ko dito na gagawin ng merkado, trail natin is this one. Kasi ito medyo aggressive to, TQQ eh, no? Okay, TQQ. Una naman ito, pakita natin dito isang analysis for mga ETF holders. September 30 is this area. Okay, September 30 ito. Yan. Ito, yan. September 30 is here. Yan, okay. Lagyan natin ito na analysis. Yan. Okay, yan. Ng September 30. Okay? Diyan siya nag-end up. This is your sectors. Okay, sectors. This is your sector. This is your technology. Where's our technology? Reset chart. Tanggal ang drawing. XLK. Yan. Okay. Tanggalin natin yung iba. XLK. And okay na. Alright. In the past, if you're gonna hold that in the next 10 years, you're doing a good decision. That's one. Okay? That's one. You're making a good decision because it's beat the index year by year for TQQ. Okay, TQQ. Now, if you want to timing it, your opportunity is at the bottom of October. The question is, where is the bottom? Okay? If you're gonna zoom it in further on this quarter, this is June. April, siguro natin January. Okay. Okay, it's fairly traded with the SPX 500. So within the year, nag-below kasi ang laki ng iningat nito last year, no? Dito yung 2020, ano. Tingnan natin 2020, Year 2020, it's trading above MA 200. So I mean, yan. No, it's actually beating SPX, 2 years, no? Dyan. But for this year, is trading within SPX 500. So meaning to say, a lot of people really took profit from last year. For this year, it's doing a bit of catch up. No, the question is, from based on this analysis, saan ang bottom? Kasi sabi niya mag-end up siya ng almost 1% from the end of September with a 60% probability. Okay, let's go back to TQQ. Kung ito ang ending ng September, lagay na natin yung real technology stocks. Nandito. Dito. Elite Club na benefit kasi ito eh. Ito. Ayan, okay. Libre naman to, so okay lang. Okay, for text alone, text sector, it's the fastest to grow within this month, then followed by next month. Then flat will be January. So, good thing for TQQ, we're expecting a drive to 3% October on a 20-year average. Okay, but again, may bottom pa before na mag-pick up. Ayan, yun yung tanong. Saan yung bottom? So far, sa nakikita ko dito, ito yung peak. Ito kasi yan eh, no? Elliott Wave. Where are you, Elliott Wave? A, B, C, D, A, B, C. K. Ayan. Here. So, tingin ko dito, for tech stocks, it will still go within this range before to umangat ulit ng todo. So, means to say, possible to umangat pa dyan, dito, bumalik, then it will close above the blue line. Slightly. Yan ang analysis ko dyan. Or, it will do a sharp here within the month, then it angat dito. Slightly than the closing of October. So, kung mag-close siya below this blue line, this September, it's part of the statistics na hindi siya nangyari. 40% of the chance in the past 50 years. Okay, na hindi siya nag-close. Okay, 42, 58% eh. So, if you're gonna timing it, bibili ako nito. Bumababa pa siya. Hihintayin ko ulit yung mag-support dito. Or dito, sa 200 before bumili. Kasi di pa tapos yung wave eh. For me, di pa tapos tong wave. Kung tapos na to, another confirmation is i-break niya tong ito area na yan. Di pa tapos eh. For me, di pa talaga siya tapos. Kasi nagre-react pa yung price within this area. Sobrang nagre-react pa siya on a seller. Kaya nag-react kita mo yung candle, ayaw umangat ng above MA 200. But I'm confident with this one. So, tingnan natin. Okay? So, titingnan natin to kung magsusupport yan dyan. Isa rin yan sa titingnan natin. If it's gonna do that or break it out or retest this area. So, more into observation pa tayo. Laki ng sellers eh, no? Laki ng selling kahapon. Kita niyo yan. Yan. Di ba? So, ngayon, observe muna, especially for TQQ. Kasi it's following the US 100 eh. So, wala pa talaga tayo dyan. So, all we can do now is to observe muna until the full reversal, which is this area. Full reversal is this area here. Yan. Wala pa. Layo pa, no? So, better to get it at the support. At least makabili ka sa support, meron ka pang mga dividends from TQQ. Ano nga lang to? Times 2. Lahat ng bilhin mo lahat ng bagsak nito times 2. So, observe muna. Observe tayo dyan. Alright, so it's 10:20. We're gonna end at 10:30. Let's have a review from ano yung mga bilhin natin. Si Blue, okay pa to si Blue. Wala na akong pera kasi gusto kong bumili ng Imus. Bumili ako ng Shiba Inu. SPXL. Yeah, same lang kay SPXL. Same lang yun kay SPXL. Arcad. Tingnan natin yung ating mga watchlist. Tingnan natin si Goto. Si Goto, pwede itong bilhin ngayon, ha? Si GoTo guys ha, pwede itong bilhin kayo. May pera kayo, bilhin nyo to. Lalo na if mag-close yan above this area. Ito yung crucial kay GoTo. If mag-close si GoTo above this area here, pwede ito i-bilhin. No? Double bottom, retest nangyari. Ito yung gusto ko kahapon mangyari sa kanya eh. EMA 5 supporting. Sarap yan. May momentum to. So yan. Run is also one of our watch lists. We wanted to go back here. Buti hindi kayo bumili kanina doon. Arcad. Ay nako, kainis. May time fight ako sa yan, bro. Tingnan mo nangyayari sa akin. Tingnan mo. Na SL. Sabi ko, ayaw ko mag-risk ng todo. Ayaw ko mag-risk. Pero supposedly, I'm already 40%. Nabili ko kanina. Sayang naman, 2% na to. Wala, na-close na-whips ako pababa. Pero sige lang, ganun talaga. Sayang. Kanina $40 din. Supposedly, $100 na ako. Hataw si Palladium. Galing, no? Yan, isa yan sa mga tingnan natin kanina. Pero okay, pero papasukin ko ulit yan. Okay, dito. Go to si AC. Ano ba yung mga natin kanina? NKLA. Check natin sa NKLA. Mabilis na lang. NKLA also is doing good, Okay, I can see a higher lows, higher highs dito on a healthy market basis, no? Ayan, no? Ayan, maganda rin pinapakita nito. Bullish ng konti. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung itawid niya to or it will do more high lows. Ayan, okay? So, isa din yan. Ano ba isa natin nakita kanina? Ang dami kanina nun eh. Ang mga buy natin. Ano may mga isa nito? F-Cell. F-Cell ba isa? Plug, BNGO. Yung mga nirecommend ni Reginald. CrowdStrike. Ito, yan, mga pwedeng bilhin to today. Ayan lakas na ng CrowdStrike. Naiwan na tayo. Isan yan, kanina. Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin na yan. Naiwan na tayo. Ano ba isa? Yung mga KNC ba to? Hindi to KNC. Ano pa isa? MRK, no, not that one. NetPI, no, not that one. Si Crowd, yan, isa Crowd kanina. Sana bumili kayo. SE, ito SE. Bili din to Ayan, naiwan na rin tayo, di ba? Wala na akong pera kanina. Lumipad na. 1% lang yan kanina. Ayan. Bibili nyo pa ba to? Hindi na, sayang na. 6% na yan 1% lang kanina kung binili nyo. Sayang. TTM, no? Hindi yan. Huwag nyo habulin to. HDD. Yan si HDD. HDD may nag-ano nga ng resistance. Arcad. Si Arcad, isa din kanina. Ito, yan. Sorry. Ito. Pwede pa to. Habang open pa to, Amsterdam. So, yan. Ang mga tatlong yun. Pero ito na lang yung mahabol nyo sa pwedeng bilhin. Yung the rest, hindi na So, bukas, sa Friday ulit. Hanap tayo. Last Edu before we go. Edu, kasama kay Tal. Wala. Late na to konti. May double bottom naman. So, wait na lang tayo ng breakout ni the neckline. Once magkaroon ng breakout, definitely we can go there. Okay. There you go. Wala ako dito. Sayang. Blue. Pwede pa to si Blue humabol. Yung mga wala pang blue. Galing to sa inyo Binibili ko lang yung mga sinasabi nyo. Maganda rin si Blue. Nag-breakout siya, Kaka-breakout lang today. Shiba, bumili din ako. F-Cell, pwede rin yan. F-Cell. Yeah, pwede pa si F-Cell. Maganda pa naman si F-Cell so far. Pero compared to the others, hindi mas maganda yung iba. Least priority nyo na to. F-Cell. BG, tapos na tayo dyan, ATVI, Facebook, Ethereum. And BNB. The rest, yun yung mga natin. ACB. Mga ito, position trades na to Tilre, ayaw gumalaw, no? Yan. Oh, last, Nuva. Before we go. Nuva support. Pwede naman to. Pwede to i-test buy. Strong support. Pwede to i-test buy. Habang pula pa siya, habang nasa baba, nasa ilalim pa. Confirmation candle nito, meron pang divergence, oh. Ayan, divergence yun. Pwede to. Pwede tong bilhin habang pula pa siya. So, tapos nasa major support ka pa. So, ayan. Pwede rin to kung gusto nyo. Habang hindi pa pumuputok. Yan, definitely. That's our for tonight. So, like ako, busy ako within the week. Medyo busy yung sa trabaho. If you want to like chill your life, like what I'm doing, chill lang. I'm doing the robot trading 1% a day. Lalo na pag nag-recover yung NCD CAD saka Euro CAD, 40%. Tingin ko dito mga 20 to 30% to. Ayan, no, pag ibinalik niya to, ano siya, pero yung kino-close profit nito, 1% a day. Ganda, no? So I'm up by 200%. You can check this out on wiseinvestorsph.com. May process dun paano gumawa. I also have my long-term Valkyrie, which is what I'm doing. Like, ang ginagawa ko dito, long-term. Automated to, guys, ha? 4%. So, naglagay tayo dyan ng 300,000. Automated. Chill lang siya. It trades on its own. So, ganito yung tsura nito. MetaTrader. Anyway, saan ba yung MetaTrader ko dito? MetaTrader app. MT4. Yan. So, automated lang siya on its own. It's trade on its own. Kung gusto nyo yan, trades on its own. Yan, naka-auto trading. Diretso na siya. So, yan, mga ganun lang. So, if you want to do that, here's the performance of Wise Investors PH auto trading in Forex. There you go. Yan. MT4 lang. So, dito. If you want to check this out, may video description on the post there. Or click this one, WIPH robot. There is a description suited for you. So, we have a high res, a trade calls per day, or long term on a video description, and this is the how to process it. Libre lang po ang robot natin. Ang may bayad lang si Valkyrie because this is purchased in US. So, this is paid in US. Magkano nga to sa US? $120 per month, pero si Valkyrie sa atin is $75 a year lang. So, parang yung 1 month binayaran mo sa US, 1 year binayaran mo sa WIPH sa US, ima-monthly mo. So, ganun yung nakuha nating deal for Valkyrie. So, check nyo dito. And also, if you want to be part of the club, one-time payment, yes. One-time payment. Pero the rest, libre. Okay, ang may bayad lang dito, isa lang. Ito si Valkyrie. The rest, libre to. This is free. Okay, Izanagi. Yung 200% ko na growth, yan, libre yan. Ito, libre to. Si Valkyrie, long-term, auto-compound eh. So, lumalaki account mo, nilalakihan din niya yung position. So, if you want to also to be part of the club, like, meron fundamental analysis, I'm just gonna give you one example. VPS payment is shared. So, bayad ka 500 pesos with us, kami na bahala with your VPS. For Valkyrie, you can purchase your own. So, yung VPS niya. So, isa yan. Example, etong Elite Club natin, we're giving 90% win trade calls na free. Sa Forex, 90% win rate din. Watch monthly premium watch list and stock gainers na pwede mo maging watch list na may statistics, may analysis na mga dyan. So, siguro one example is this one, no? Ito. This one. Not that this one pala. Not that one. This one. Okay. So, gusto mo din yan i-check. Ito, ang makikita mo dito. Dito na wala tuloy. Pakita ko na lang kay Elite Club. Elite Club, where are you? Elite Club. So, may makita kayong mga monthly reports. Katulad nito, guys. So, pinabili ko to si Natgas. Nandito pa siya. Kita nyo to, ha? Pinabili ko yan dyan with the fundamental analysis. That's what's happening in the global market. Tingnan mo saan siya nung after a few days. May kinita ko dyan, mga $400. Yan, no? Dito from this area, umangat ng 630%. 16% yata to. 30%. Ano, umangat before nag-take. This is the TP2 na pinakita ko dyan. So, nandiyan yan sa post ko mismo. So, isa yan sa magiging benefit mo sa Elite Club. Dami yung benefit sa Elite Club. Honestly, kaya gusto ko magano kasi mag-analysis pa ako. Kay Izanagi, WIPH, shared yung VPS for Izanagi. So, isa yan for Izanagi. So, you can use your own VPS if for Valkyrie. Itutulungan ka lang namin i-set up, bibigyan namin installer kasi reactivate pa naman sa US. Si Izanagi and trend follower with trade calls. Itong trade calls na to, itong trend follower. Ayan, may trade calls kasi yan. Libre. Pero the VPS is shared with us. Okay, isa yan. So, try to check that out. Walang mawawala. This is the result. Ito naman yung result. It speaks on our results here. There you go. So, I'm already up by 200%. Drawdown is 42% January. Up to date. Okay? January ha. So, that's 9 months. Buhay. Na micro. Okay? Micro, high risk, high gains. High risk natin. Ito yung high risk natin. Oh. It's still up by 50% yata. July started. 47. Drawdown 15%. October 6 so far. So it's still doing good as well. So for our micro. So same lang yan siya. You can start at $250. And last but not the least, if you want to know my system, the system of our coaches, mapasin learning curve mo, you can join our masterclass. Open na to ang early bird slots. You can check this out. PM the page or check the site. This is the topics from basic to advanced, momentum, position trading, swing trading, bounce trading, lahat yan nandiyan kompleto. And may konting fundamentals dito from week 7, week 8, long-term investing principles. Nandiyan yan. You can check that out as well. And last but not the least, if wala ka pang account or mag-diversify ka sa dalawa, meron tayong Go Trade. You can invest 50 pesos. Then, you can also earn from this. Gawa ka ng account, tapos mag-invite ka ng mga family mo para matuto sila ng investing. Yun yung goal natin dito. Meron silang referral, like eToro before. So, pero syempre, huwag kang expect na malaki kasi 50 pesos lang yung starting eh. Okay. Yeah, there. If wala ka pa naman pang copy trade, you can copy that I have people that have mentioned. Very good performance. Make an eToro account. Yan. So, that's it for tonight. Again, dami natin nabili tonight. Thank you sa mga nag-comment dyan. Thank you din sa mga nag-share. So, lahat, pare-pare tayo may pula, pare-pare tayo may gains. As long as we're gaining the whole year, we're doing good together as a family. So, with that, I'm gonna see you on Friday. So excited to be with you again on the next episode natin on our live trading here on Wise Investors PH. May the market be with you. God bless and have a nice evening. Thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye, guys.